I have wanted to do this 5-day fast from Prolon for years. I have read all the benefits. I have been so excited about it, but I always was out. And then Prolon reached out to me and actually gifted me the kit. So now I have no excuses, and I am really excited to give this a full and serious test. And in this video, I want to go over exactly what you're getting in this kit. As of December 2024, as Prolon has changed what is in the kit over time. And since it is just a few days before Christmas, I am going to wait to do this until the new year, and I will be doing another video then sharing my entire experience. But let's get into what you get. Now, to start off with, it has some heft to it. And on the side, you will see that this is the Prolon Generation 3, and it has the expiration date on it. Key details. And when you open it up, it actually has Velcro attachments, as this is really meant to be used over the course of your fast. And when you open it up completely, it starts off with a quick start guide. It has a QR code, and you want to scan that and then enter your first day, and then you'll get updates with support and guidance, any frequently asked questions. They also have an entire community. Now, the kit itself comes with 5 boxes for the 5 days, and then a little bit extra on the side. You do get a basic guide. This will give you everything you need to know to be successful with this kit without signing up for anything online. So if you're not interested in the online aspect, this is going to give you what you need. It is the basics, key information on how to use it, any warnings, anything you really need to know. And it ends with the meal program and recommendations of what to do when you finish your fast. And then this is my favorite card you get. It will walk you through your full meal plan for every day and how to mix the drink. You have everything you need on this card. So you really have 3 options here: the quick cheat sheet, a little more information, and a full community with a ton of support. As for the kit, each day has a lot of repetition. Day 1 has the most food, and here's day 1's box. Every single package comes with a lot number and expiration date. And in day 1, you get kale chips, 2 nut bars, the Choco Crisp bar, which I have heard a lot of good things about, and then 2 packets of each the algal oil and the NR1. These are supplements. You also get 2 herbal tea packets, olives with a touch of salt, and then your main meals will be soup-based. And on day 1, you get the red bell pepper and onion soup and the carrot ginger soup. And I know they've changed the soups over time, so I'm very curious about the soups. And day 1 really is meant as a transition into the larger portion of the fast. Now, day 2 is the part of the fasting where you will start your ketone production, and this is when you get introduced to the L drink. Now, the L drink does come in 2 different flavors. This is the orange flavor, and you will be consuming this based upon your weight. You mix it with water, and it has a weight line down the side, and you only want to use as much as it tells you to based on your weight. So it is the only thing in this box that you are not supposed to consume completely. You're only supposed to consume what's right for you. And on day 2, you get 1 nut bar and 1 choco bar, 4 different teas. They add in a hibiscus herbal tea, only 1 supplement, the NR1 packet, 2 packets of olives, 2 soups, green pea and chives, and the lentil curry. Now, day 3 is considered a big day in this process. There's a lot going on with your body, as it is recognizing that it is fully in a fast at this point, and you're definitely not getting as many calories. On this day, you get the L drink in the tropical berry flavor. No choco bar this day, but you do get a nut bar and the kale chips. 1 supplement, the NR1, the same 4 tea packets. And you'll be repeating the red bell pepper and onion soup from day 1, and you're getting chickpea and leeks soup. Now, on day 4, some people start reporting feeling better. This is when your body should be fully adapted to the process. It really depends on you. I am very curious where I'll be at on day 4, and you're still definitely on lower calories. But you do get the beloved choco bar along with a nut bar. Back to the orange flavor L drink, 2 olive packets, the 4 teas, 1 supplement packet of the NR1, And the soups are all repeating at this point. You get the green pea and chives and the carrot soup. And finally, day 5. As I go through this, I really imagine how this will impact me, and I'm really excited to get to day 5. You get a nut bar and the kale chips, switching back to the tropical berry flavor on the L drink. 2 supplements this time. You get the alga oil and the NR1. And you wrap it up with another red bell pepper and onion soup and the lentil curry. Now, I will be making another video after I do this fast that will go through my entire experience trying everything in this box, but I do hope that this helps you understand what you're going to get. And if you're ready to do this, don't wait on me. This is worth jumping on. There is so much science behind it. There are so many studies. There are so many benefits. And I really am personally excited and nervous to give this a try. And I hope you'll take the leap with me. The Prolon 5-Day Fast.